what's going on? Peach, Chester Valley here, and today we're back for another PewDiePie's Tuber Simulator. I know it's been a long since I recorded PewDiePie's Tuber Simulator, and I kind of buyed something up off camera, and it was this jacket. And let me buy something new. That would be, what should we buy, guys? Tell me. And we have to get this motherfuckers and let's get this. Okay, so as you can see, guys, we can now upload 2 videos, and that's kind of cool. And okay, there's a, what should we buy? Oh yeah, I forgot, I need to buy this one. Where is it? To make our house good looking. Races. Okay, there. I know I can do that, but I don't wanna buy it. Okay, not again. Kyrie, get out of my sister's room, please. Kyrie, stop. Go there. Go over there. Not here. I'm gonna murder you. Ah! Uncle is playing right now, so go to your cousin. Yes, your cousin. Go to Ate Raika. Go to Ate Raika, Kyrie. Raika! Get Kyrie. She's right over here. You have hiccups? Go drink some water. Okay, don't do that again, okay? Go drink some water right now. Okay, so my apology about that, guys. I said go over there and drink water. Ouch.
This isn't your first time. In the shipping menu, so you know where most everything is.
PewDiePie.
You can use the boost up there to make things faster.
You can use the boost up there to make things
You can
faster.
also play punk. Don't worry about Maya or any.
Disclaimer, don't report PewDiePie to the animal police. This is just a game. Okay, report PewDiePie, guys. No, I'm kidding. Just don't report PewDiePie. Guys, tell me what should we play next after this. And I recorded the Minecraft Survival Series episode 3. I haven't uploaded it yet because let me explain. But I think I'm gonna upload it before this, so, and I can't upload it right now. As you can as you can see, guys, you can see that DC13 isn't open right now, so fuck shit. And after this, I'm gonna do a tutorial how to make a cobblestone generator. I know most of people doesn't know how to make a cobblestone generator for their skyblock or something they need so they won't go to the ravine or a cave anymore just to clear up some stones and ruin the cave. You just need to go to the cobblestone generator and pick some of your cobblestones, and I think we have. And all we need to do is discover all three trending themes of the day. And I kinda asked of some of you guys in my survival series, can we hit 1 like over there and here too? That will be awesome. And bro, I still waiting for that juice. Where is it?
Bakit nagpalit yan ng ano?
Where is it?
Magpasuklay ka nga kay Ate Ray kalakad. Paligid ka ng ayos.
Is this the model for this? No, is it that? Oh, come on. Okay, okay, we got 4 bucks, and I think I'm gonna
Welcome to Slight
shut
and
up,
Slight.
PewDiePie.
Fine.
Okay, guys, I think, oh my god, the views. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here, and I hope we can hit 1 like again. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new.
Kasi kayo nataod-taod niyan.
And that's all. Bye bye.